Hi, JMO from Xcase, www.xcase.co.uk. Please take a look at the website and definitely please join our Facebook. So, Aerocool Dead Silence. Let's have a closer look. Well, this is a bit different. It's described as a cube case. Can't really call it a cube case in my head because it's a bit bigger than most cubes you'd expect. So it's more like a wide mini tower. But hey, don't let that put you off because this is really smart. So start from the front, because it's a smaller case, just a single 5.25 and a 3.5 inch. Go into the top, a couple of USB 3s, a couple of USB 2s, power switches here, reset switch, hard drive, LED, audio. This is the white version, amazingly enough. And it's interchangeable at the top here. I've just put this black cover on, which is included, but it comes as standard with that white one. Kind of like it with the black, so I'm going to keep that there. There's an option with side windows. There's a clear one like that, or there's a non-clear version. And there's plenty of colours: red, silver, black, white, orangey colour. Some of them are pretty horrible, but most of them are nice. So let's have a closer look. It's for micro ATX and ITX boards only. Couple of hard drive trays, one here, one I've taken out already. You can fit either 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch drives in there. And there's a little section at the back there that tells me you can fit another couple of 2.5 inch drives. There's a rear 120mm fan. Hopefully, as they're calling it dead silence, it's going to be a quiet one. And there's a big 200, or is it a 240mm fan at the front there. Anyway, again, I hope it's a quiet one, because that's what it's aimed at. There's your internal bays for your 3.5 inch exposed. We could use it for an internal. And your 5.25. Power supply goes in there at the bottom. Just be a little bit careful if it's a long power supply, because it is slightly restricted. Should be okay on most, but if it is a particularly long one, perhaps just check with us before buying it, or whoever you're buying it from. Show you the bottom, because that's quite neat. There's the back. Now, let me just punch this roof through, because it's obviously aimed at water cooling. Got space here for a double radiator. Instructions in the manual on how to fit it. And you've got your couple of holes pre-drilled here for your pipes. Sturdy thing, some kind of weird plastic thing going on here. It's not horrible plastic, more acrylic. It's wide, it's chunky, it's fun. Really kind of wish I had one. So there we go. The Aerocool Dead Silence. Nice case, really nice case. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for listening. Oh, was there something else? No, there's not something else. Sorry, I'm going off on one. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to join Facebook, xcase.co.uk. And bye-bye.